In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color captions in Descript. Whether you're working on a project for professional purposes or simply editing a video for fun, customizing your captions can really enhance your viewer's experience. So let's dive in and go through the process of adding a splash of color to your captions. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Descript project and navigate to your text. It's important to make sure everything's polished and in order before we start adding any visual flair. This means checking for any spelling errors or formatting issues that might have crept in during your initial transcription. A solid foundation is key to making your captions stand out. Once your text is in good shape, the next step is to click on the specific piece of text that you want to edit. By doing this, you'll be selecting the portion of the captions you're looking to highlight. After clicking the text, direct your attention to the captions on the screen. One of the great things about Descript is how intuitive it is when you want to make edits like these. Now, as you click on the captions, a pop-up will appear. This pop-up is a powerful tool that allows you to change the color of your captions. Go ahead and explore the color options available to you. Depending on your project's theme or the video's subject matter, you might choose vibrant colors to capture attention or softer tones for a more subtle look. Experiment and see what works best for your specific needs. Remember, the key is to enhance readability while also making your captions visually appealing. A useful tip while choosing your colors is to consider the contrast against the background of your video. You want your captions to be easily readable, ensuring that viewers can follow along without straining their eyes. If your background is busy or colorful, bolder, more saturated tones may be necessary, whereas a more minimalist background might allow for pastels or muted hues. Once you've settled on a color that resonates with your project's aesthetic and enhances readability, you're all set. You've now successfully added color to your captions, making your video more engaging for your audience. Adding this personal touch can really differentiate your content and show an extra level of thoughtfulness in its creation. There you have it. Your captions are now more than just text on the screen. They're a dynamic part of your video's storytelling arsenal. Whether you're sharing a heartfelt message or educating your audience, color can help convey tone and emotion. I hope this guide has been helpful in walking you through the process, ensuring your captions are as captivating as your content. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to explore more of what Descript can do for your creative projects.